I am done gluing the earrings to the vending machine capsule. I'm going to be using this empty container of sweetener just so that I can work on it. I see that there's some spaces, some areas right here that are not covered up by the earrings. Since I used a bronze color for the suspender, I'm also going to be using bronze color to fill in these areas right here. And I'm just going to be making some wiggly designs. I'm not sure if you can see it. They're supposed to be subtle, but these are the little drawing that I made with a permanent marker. Now we are going to see which one of the lights will work better. This is a balloon light. And the way you turn it on is you pull this little tab right here. So I'm going to see how it works. And then slide this back up. And I'm not really happy because it's too long and you can see the light bulb. So I'm going to try a different light. This is a keychain flashlight. And you can turn it on either by squeezing it right here, or you can also do this. So this is what we would use. But I'm just not happy that I found it in black. I think another color would work best, but I'm going to see if it has the right length. Now put it in the hook and slide it back up. Now this one has the right length. However, I'm not happy with the black. So let's try another one. All of these, by the way, are available at a party store. They are also available at a craft store, but they are the least expensive if you buy them online. All you have to do is search for balloon LED lights. This one turns on by twisting it. So let's see how this one works. And I think this is going to be the winner. This is going to be the one that I will use. One thing though is that the light is very cold. It's almost blue light. So I'm going to color a little bit the area where the light bulb shines. Since I already used the bronze permanent marker on the outside, I am also going to use it for the light bulb. And it will break up the intense blue cold light a little bit. That's all I need. And let's see how it looks once we put it hanging on in the living room. And let's take it to the room. And now you can really see it, how it ties in very well with the accent on the ceiling, as well as with all the gold that is on the door and on the walls. This project was very inexpensive. The earrings I found online, they're probably not the type of earrings that I would put on my ears because they are very inexpensive and I don't know what kind of material they're made of, but definitely very well work for this project. This chandelier gives the appearance of luxury, which is exactly what we want in this room.